Hey, welcome back, guys. In this video, we're going to learn how to add and subtract integers. So refresh your memory, integers are just actually positive and negative whole numbers. So we have a -8, which is negatives are opposite of positives, plus a positive 14. So I'm going to use a number line to kind of demonstrate how to visually solve this. So I always like to include a 0 in my number line, and below 0 are all my negatives. So I start off by going to -8, and then I want to add 14. So if I go back to 0, I added 8. But like I said, we are actually adding 14. So I have to go up 6 more. And if you think about it, 8 plus 6 is 14. We actually ended up at a positive 6. So therefore, -8 plus 14 is a positive 6. All right, so we're going to look at this one. It says 5, which is positive, and we're taking away a -7, which, remember, negative is just the opposite of a positive. We're going to use 0 pairs so I can model this for you. 0 pair just is a 1 positive and 1 negative. So I'm going to use counters, which hence is your 0 pairs is what we'll need. 3, 4, I have 5 positives to start with. We want to take away from this batch 7 negatives. Well, you can't take any negatives away because we don't actually have negatives. So that's where we'll put our 0 pairs, and I need 7 of them. And the reason I know I need 7 of them is because I want to take away 7 negatives. So that's just 1 positive, 1 negative. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, whatever you're short is what the 0 pairs you need. If I was only taking away, if I had some negatives to start with, I wouldn't have to go do all the 0 pairs. All right, so now we have negatives to take away. Okay, so I will take those away. What are we left with? You'll have the 5 positives you started with, and then the 7 positives from the 0 pairs. Hence, you'll end up with 12. Okay, so let's go to the next one. It says a submarine is 120 feet below sea level. It ascends 45 feet. That means it's going to go up from the -120. So like I said, we're going to use the number line. We start at 0. We go down 120 feet below sea level. Ascending, meaning we're going up. So that means we're adding 45. So there's no way you're getting to the other side of 0 because you'd have to add more than 120. When you add 45 to 120, you ended up with a -75. If there is, that's where the position of the submarine would be. So if you look at it from a money perspective or a real life, you owe somebody $120. You paid them back 45. Well, you still owe them 75. I say that because a lot of times kids think 75 is just the answer. Well, it's not a positive 75. All right, for this one, I would like you to pause the video, use counters, use number line, or, whatever works for you, and then come back and check with me. All right, guys, so you have -3. I'm going to solve it 2 ways. So meaning you have 3 negatives and you want to take away 9 positives. Well, you don't have any positives to take away. And remember, whatever you're short, you have to add 0 pairs. Since I don't have any positives, I will add my 9 0 pairs. So that's 1, 2, 3, okay, now I have positives that I can take away, and I'm taking away 9 of them. So I got 3 groups of 3, which will give me 9. What am I left with? -12. Now, if you look at it as a number line, you have 0. You're going to go down -3. And from there, you're going to keep going 9 more, and you end up with -12. All right, well, thanks for watching. I hope this helped. Don't forget to always hit like and subscribe, and check out my other integer videos.